Okay, Wildcat 7, activity 5.3. Absolute value inequalities. Go ahead and mark out this page. Go ahead and mark out this page. Go ahead and mark out this page. All right, activity 5.5. Absolute value compound inequalities. Absolute value inequalities can take 4 different forms as shown in the table. To solve a linear absolute value inequality, you can first write as an equivalent compound inequality. Well, go ahead and look over the absolute value inequalities and the equivalent compound inequalities. All right, 1. Solve the linear absolute value inequality by rewriting it as an equivalent compound inequality. Then graph your solution on the number line. Before we do that, no notes. If it's a dashed line, it's an open circle. If it's a solid line, it's a closed circle. Okay, let's take a look at number 1 using Desmos. So I'm going to graph it. Okay, so absolute value of x plus 3 less than 4. So you see we have an open circle at -7 and an open circle at +1. Okay, and we're going to shade between. Okay, and then the inequality is -7 less than x less than 1. All right, go ahead and finish up 1a. Let's take a look at 1b. So we're going to put that in Desmos. So 6 All right, so you see we have a closed circle at -1 and a closed circle at 5. Okay, and then we're shading to the left and we're shading to the right. As an inequality, we write this as x less than or equal to -1 or x greater than or equal to 5. All right, go ahead and finish up 1a and b. Let's take a look at the next page. Go ahead and mark out C, and let's take a look at D. All right, so all right, you'll see that when we zoom out, each non-line is completely shaded, and that's because absolute value is always going to be greater than a negative number. So the entire number line is shaded, and we call that infinite solutions. Or I should say an infinite solution. All right, go ahead and finish up D. Let's take a look at E. So in this case, it's x plus 5 less than -1. Now, the absolute value is never less than a negative number. So when you zoom out, you see nothing is shaded. So we say this is an example of no solution. All right, go ahead and finish up E. Take a look at the next page. All right, go ahead and mark out this page. The student will work 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, and 2E. Mark out the right. Read the remember. All right, let's take a look at the next page. The student will work 2A, 2B, and 3. Mark this up. All right, go ahead and finish your notes. Finish up your notes and start working on your assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.